This Etsy shop has made over $280,000 selling just $2 mug designs, and there are dozens of other shops doing the same thing. The best part? We don't need a printer, inventory, or even design skills to get started. After my last video, I posted a poll here on the channel, and you guys voted for this tutorial. So today, we're diving deep into a business model that you can start using Canva and Etsy in just 10 minutes. I'm talking about the world of print on demand, basically simple dropshipping with digital mug designs. In this video, I'll show you how to create and sell downloadable mug design files on Etsy using Canva and a bit of creativity. That's right, you design once, upload once, and get paid over and over again, just like this shop owner. So let's jump into the tutorial, starting with the first and most important step, finding a profitable niche so your designs actually stand out. This time, we're using Etsy itself for product research. Head over to etsy.com, type mugs into the search bar, and hit enter. Now go to the filters and select top reviews. This will show us the highest rated and most loved products on the platform. From here, scroll through the results and look closely at the shops with more than 5,000 reviews. These are your gold mines. Their mugs are clearly resonating with buyers. Go through them one by one and pay attention to what kinds of designs are trending and making consistent sales. Get a feel for the styles, colors, and niches that are working. And by now, you'll probably have a few good ideas forming in your mind. Just remember, don't copy. Take inspiration and build your own creative version of what's working. Now we can move on to the next step, designing our mug in Canva. So open Canva in a new tab, go to the search bar, and click on Custom Size. Make sure to switch the dimensions to inches, then enter 8.75 inches for the width and 3.5 inches for the height. These are the standard print dimensions for an 11-ounce mug, which is the most commonly sold size. Now click on Create New Design, and Canva will open up your editing space. This is where we'll build the entire mug layout. Once it loads, the first thing I always do is name the file, just to stay organized. After that, we're all set to start designing our mug. But before jumping into the creative part, we need to set up safe zone guidelines inside Canva. When you're designing a mug for printing, even as a digital download, it's super important to keep your design within a safe zone. This ensures that nothing important, like your text or key graphics, gets cut off or ends up too close to the edge when printed. Now, Canva doesn't give you print-safe margins by default, so we'll have to set them up manually. Here's how to do it. Click on the blank canvas and press Shift+R on your keyboard. Or just go to the top menu, click on File, Settings, and then turn on Show Rulers and Guides. This will activate rulers along the top and left edges of your canvas. Now click on the ruler and drag guides onto your canvas. You'll want to leave a padding of 0.25 inches on all four sides of your 8.75 inches by 3.5 inches canvas. Let me show you how I do it, and you can follow along using this safe zone chart. Once we've placed our guides, our print safe zone is ready. From now on, make sure all text and key elements stay inside these guides. If you're using full-width backgrounds, colors, or patterns, those can extend to the very edge. But text? Always keep that safely within the margins. Now that we're set up, let's move on to actually designing our mug. And for that, we're again going to use Canva's graphics library. But remember, if you're offering custom orders, you can always replace these elements with visuals based on your customer's requests. To help you understand this better, we're going to create 3 different printable mug designs, each representing a trending product type or niche that sells really well on Etsy. So the first one is super simple. We'll just add some placeholder text so the customer can tell us what message they want on their mug. Go to the Text tab and drag a text element onto the canvas. Now type in any sample text, like I'm doing here, to show how it would look. This version is great for Etsy mockups and product listings. Next, go to Fonts and choose a handwriting style font, as those tend to perform best in this niche. These styles add a personal, cozy touch that buyers love. The second popular style is where customers upload their pet's photo along with the name. So here's what we do. Ask the customer to send their pet's image and the name they want included. For this tutorial, I'll use Canva's built-in library. Let's search for a cute dog, then drag it onto the canvas. After adding it, go to Edit Photo and use the Background Remover tool. Once the background is removed, click on Edit again and apply a subtle shadow to the image. This will help the pet photo pop and look professional. Now go back to the Text tab, add the pet's name, and position it right next to or below the image. Choose a font that matches the overall vibe, and as always, keep everything inside the safe zone. The last design style is booming right now. Personalized mugs featuring real photos of individuals. These are extremely popular for gifts, friends, family members, couples, all love these personalized touches. All you need is the photo and text from the customer. But instead of just placing the photo as is, let me show you a better trick. Head to Elements, scroll down to Frames, and choose a photo frame shape you like. These frames give a more polished and modern look to the image. Add your customer's image inside the frame, position it carefully, and then add the custom text they want. See how much more elegant and gift-worthy that looks? So these are some of the most trending and profitable digital download ideas for mug printing. And the best part is, we created all of these in just 5 minutes using Canva. Now once you're done designing, it's time to download your files so you can list them on Etsy or use them for mockups and marketing. Here's how to maintain the highest quality. If you're offering these as printable downloads, the best format is PDF print. This preserves the resolution and ensures the design prints cleanly. But if you're planning to use these designs in mockups or promotional images, then download them as PNG files and make sure to check the transparent background option. This way, your design will sit cleanly on any background when you create mockups, just like you see on Etsy. So go ahead, download your files in both formats, PDF for product delivery on Etsy, and transparent PNG for making marketing material for our next step, creating eye-catching mockups to help your product stand out and sell faster. And just like we did in our last video, we're going to use ChatGPT for this again. So head over to ChatGPT, open a new chat, and paste this prompt I've prepared. You'll find it in the video description below. This prompt is designed to generate natural-looking mug mockups using AI. Now click on the upload image icon and upload your downloaded mug design. Once it processes, ChatGPT will generate stunning mockup visuals using your file. You can even guide it. Just give it a simple instruction like, show this on a cozy wooden table, or place this in a kitchen scene. Here's an example. I uploaded one of my designs, gave it a reference image from a competitor's listing, and boom, it created a perfect lifestyle mockup by blending my design into that scene. This is the power of AI. Use it smartly and creatively. It saves time, gives you professional results, and honestly, makes your product look 10 times better. Let's use these mockups to boost our Etsy listings and drive those sales. See, I did the same with our other designs, and just look at how amazingly realistic these mockups turned out. ChatGPT really nailed it. All you have to do is give it clear, descriptive instructions along with the images you want to convert, and it does the rest like magic. I repeated this process for all the designs we created, and now we've got a full set of professional-looking mockups, completely free. That's our marketing material sorted, perfect for your Etsy listing, thumbnails, or even Pinterest promotion. Now we're just left with one final step, listing all these digital downloads and marketing materials on Etsy. But since covering that in detail here would make this video way too long and possibly overwhelming, I've already created a separate full in-depth tutorial on exactly how to do it. It's available right here on the channel and also added to the playlist for easy access. In that tutorial, I walk you through how to optimize your Etsy store for keywords, how to use ChatGPT for Etsy SEO, and even how to do product research the smart way. So once you've created your digital products with this video, I highly recommend watching that next to get your listings up and running the right way. So these are some of the most trending digital product ideas for mug designs, and they're definitely worth exploring if you want to create something unique and profitable. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and let me know which idea you're most excited to try, or if you've already started designing. And hey, if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I've got more product ideas, marketing strategies, and Canva walkthroughs lined up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.